Fix Microsoft Edge from automatically starting at Logon on Windows 11. So if Microsoft Edge keeps opening itself whenever you log into your Windows computer, you can choose to disable it. So for this, first of all, you want to simply open up settings, then go to the option called apps. Then from apps, you want to navigate to startup. Now under startup, you'll find various type of applications. Since it is Microsoft Edge that we want to disable during startup, you can simply make sure to turn off the toggle like this. Now, not only for Microsoft Edge, but you can do this for any of the other apps as well. I wouldn't recommend you do with the system app like this. These are actually necessary, but if it is a third-party app like Discord or Steam and anything like that, you can also disable them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.